with the safety precautions we would like you to observe during your visit. General instructions. Do not use mobile phone in office premises. Smoking and photography is strictly prohibited in our premises. Wherever available, all visitors are requested to follow safety norms during the entire stay in the premises.
Stray away from designated route. While driving the vehicle in company premises, follow the speed limit 20 km per hour.
Please use PPE as per requirement and follow gowning procedure wherever applicable. If you hear emergency siren or announcement on public address, use the staircase to reach at assembly point. Do not run, walk briskly. Thank you for your time.